Hi, I'm Kate and I create ball joint dolls from clay, cast them in resin and share the process here on YouTube. Right now I'm working on a redesigning of a doll that I started this channel with by filming its casting process back in 2022. I will leave the link to one of these videos in the top corner if you want to check it. During this redesign process I have the checkpoints. On these checkpoints I decided that the doll's head is too big for this height. Also previously I wanted to lower the breast line a bit, and together with that I'll need to make the top parts longer, and I will change the arm joint also because I want the elbow to be on the level with the waist, and to achieve this I will need to make other variation of the joint. So first part of this video will be changing the body. The second part I will show another elbow joint design. Also I have some bonus content in the end, so stay tuned. I start with the head. It's the easiest change. I remove a few millimeters from the top and then just leave it like this for now. The biggest changes will be with the body. Apart from changing the proportions, I refine the collarbones area and also the neck joint. After these changes, the waistline moves from the ball itself to the bottom part of the body. The position of the ball will not move, but the ribs will cover it more to form nice ellipse shape for the top body part. Maybe you noticed, but during my work, most of the time I'm in search of the best looking solution and can't tell the exact result I will have in the end. My sketches are premises to what I want to have in the end, but the process itself is what defines the result. As for me, it's the essence of the creation process to have an idea and to search and find the best looking solution. I should say I love the shape I get after making these changes. I like how full the rib cage looks now and how the ball joint became the part of the body and not just the necessary construction element as it was before. There is an interesting observation I made recently. After I started redesigning the doll, the body part hasn't got almost any old primer visible. That means I've already changed the doll so much the primer's either cut or covered with the new layer of the clay. To be honest, I wasn't planning to change an arm joint. The idea came to me when I just made a mistake while assembling the doll and placed the joint upside down. When I saw the result, I thought that it actually looks better and closer to the human body proportions. I mean, when the elbow corresponds to the waistline. So that's why I decided to try another joint design. The small ball will now placed inside the forearm, and the big ball will be just slightly covered with the arm. After going back and forth with the elbow shape, I finally made some decisions, and you can see the result I have for now. I should say the doll changed its proportions dramatically, especially regarding the first iteration of the doll, that is on the left. It's obviously she's another character now, after such big changes. If you reached this part of the video, that means you'll get some small bonus content where I show how I will make the magnetic hands for the doll in the future. During editing of this video, I received 3mm magnets that I will need to finish the hands. Before, I used wooden bits to show how the hands will look on the arm, but now I can drill the balls I prepared for the joints. So there will be two magnets. The longer one goes in the ball and the short one goes inside the hand. So I drill holes for them both, together with the holes for the hook in the ball. In the end, the construction will look like this. And this is how the hand works on the doll. So that's it for this video. Like and subscribe if you like my content, and see you in the next one. Bye!